In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and use digital signatures for your documents. Whether you're handling invoices or credit notes, using digital signatures can streamline your workflow and enhance security. So, let's get started. First things first, head over to the Settings menu. You'll find it conveniently located in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on this will open a range of options for you to customize and tweak according to your needs. What we're looking for here is the customization section. So scroll down until you see the customization option and click on it. This will bring up a series of features that you can adjust, one of which is digital signature. Next, you'll want to select digital signature. Once you've done that, you should see an option to enable the signature. Go ahead and click the Enable Signature button. This action is crucial as it activates the digital signature functionality within your system, allowing you to attach legally binding signatures to your documents without any hassle. The next step is particularly important for ensuring that your documents are properly signed. You'll see a checklist of document types that are available for digital signature. Check the box corresponding to the document types you deal with, like invoices and credit notes. After making your selections, click the Enable button. By doing so, you're specifying exactly which document types will support digital signatures, providing flexibility and control over your signing process. Now that your digital signatures are set up, you can move on to signing your first document. Start by opening the document you wish to sign. It could be a freshly created invoice or a finalized credit note. Either way, open it up in your document viewer so that you can proceed to the signing stage. Once your document is open, look for the Sign button. This may be located prominently on the page or tucked away in an action menu, depending on the user interface of your software. You might also see an option labeled Save and Sign. Both options are viable pathways to initiate the signing process. Choosing either will prepare your document for the finalization step. Finally, you'll want to click Send to finalize the document. This action effectively seals your document with a digital signature, ensuring its authenticity and integrity. By sending it, you make sure that the document is securely managed and accessible to all necessary parties. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled and used digital signatures for your documents. This feature not only saves you time, but also adds an extra layer of security, ensuring your business dealings remain professional and efficient. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you streamline your document management process.